Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a Target dollar spot and Michael's Valentine's haul for you. So I wanted to start with Target. They have a lot of really cool, cute items out now, and they had a lot more than what I found. I just found these really cute. Thought they would be great for my planner. And I'm just a sucker for the cute little llama and the animal things. I don't know. I just really think they're cute. So I found, I'll start with this. This is a Valentine sticker sheet set. And it was $1. But it's a nice little book here. It has some really cute stickers. Cats and llamas and dogs. And then there's like color Valentines, which I don't know if I'll use, I'm not sure if I'll color them in or not. But it has two sets of stickers. So I just thought those would be great for planning. Actually could use these, I could color them in and then cut them and use them on my planner spreads. So there's that one with the dogs on the front, and then this other one here has the llamas, and I just thought that was super cute at the top there. And it has a similar set of stickers, but just with bigger llama. And then the Valentines are a little bit different. And this one seems to only have one set of stickers, so so that's cute. I think actually this one, it says it only comes with one sticker sheet, and so I think this one is actually a mistake because it has two sticker sheets in there. I didn't realize that before. And then they had washi tape that has hearts that match the hearts here. I'll pull it out for you. I even like the packaging. It's just so cute. But there's the hearts. And then this one has the dogs on it. And the cats too. Yeah. Let me see if I can open it up here because it's kind of hard to see. If I can find the end. Here we go. So that's really cute. Look at that. And the last one I found was the cats here. And it is kind of a shape at the top. Well, it's like this. It has the ears cut out like that. So I thought that was cute. And then I found this set of holographic stickers of the unicorns. It's just one sheet, and that was $1. Everything here was $1 actually. And then I found this sheet of stickers with cats and dogs. And then I found some felt fetty. It has some holographic hearts and then some red and pink felt hearts. And I thought those would be great for making altered paper clips. I can embellish those up a little bit. So that was from Target. And then I had a gift card from a Christmas gift from Michael's. So I went to find some things because I'm going to be making some Valentine traveler's notebook junk journals to go in my Etsy shop. So I wanted to find some paper that would be really pretty and some charms to make little dangles for the inserts. So I found this Craftsmith paper pad. It's not a hot buy, but it was on 40%, I believe. So it ended up being $11.99. And it's called Blush Glam. And it has really pretty paper that's white, gold, and pink. And it's not necessarily Valentine, but I thought it would go really well for Valentine's. So I'll do a flip through here. It has some cards that you can cut up. 2 sheets of that, and then some journaling cards here that are really pretty. And then there's just a sheet that has like all the patterns like normal on the Craftsmith paper pads. And then a full sheet there. Stripes, little arrows, flower pattern. This one has a banner at the bottom. I don't have it open here. There's that pattern. Chevron, dots, another floral, like an ombre or like a faded pink floral gold foiling. Another chevron, whoops, gold foil pattern there. More floral. So super pretty. These will make really pretty traveler's notebook inserts. And then to go with it, to make the charm dangles, I found all of the beading and accessories were buy 2 get 1 free. So I found this charm along 12 pieces of they're like antique gold charms that have a heart on one side and the love on the other. And then I found this little string of really pretty pink pearl beads, and then this string that has heart charms on it. So be looking out for that. And hopefully in the next week or 2 I will have more things up in my Etsy shop. And right now, if you go over there, my Christmas stuff is all 70% off. So if you still need a journal or tassel, or there's some winter snowman items in there as well. There's one winter journal and there are some winter paper clips. So go ahead and grab those while they're the 70% off. And then be looking for new things that are going to be in my Etsy shop. I'm going to do Valentine's, and then I'll have some other, I was thinking about doing like a travel, like a journals that will encompass 1 year. So starting off with the new year of 2018, I'll have like a journal that will have a spread for each day, each month of the year. And those will be kind of not specific to a season. They'll just be different themes. So anyway, look for that. I want to add a lot more into my Etsy shop and do things that aren't seasonal or themed for, I'll do some Valentine, but then the others will be just anytime or whatever. So anyway, these are the things. I also purchased this pearlescent watercolor set from Michaels to use in my Bible journaling. And then my daughter had picked me up one of the Crate 365, the Faith one, and I already had that one, so I asked her if it would be okay if I could exchange it, because I didn't need 2 of them. So I exchanged it for this Crate 365 planner, and it's the Get It Done rainbow pack, and it has like all the different colors, so I can use these in addition to my other themes of planner spreads, and I can just pick out a color that matches whatever it is I'm working on for that video or planner spread. So that's what I have for today for my haul. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Go and check out my Etsy shop. I'll put the link for that down below. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.